Understanding Vanilla Bean, a guide to the flavorful world of vanilla. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the delightful and aromatic world of the vanilla bean. This tiny yet mighty ingredient is a staple in kitchens and confectionaries worldwide. But what exactly is a vanilla bean? And why is it so cherished? Let's find out. A vanilla bean is actually the pod of the vanilla orchid, a type of flowering plant native to Mexico. These long, slender pods are filled with tiny seeds and have a sweet, perfumed aroma. Vanilla beans are harvested while they are still green and undergo a lengthy process of drying and curing, which brings out their characteristic flavor and fragrance. The journey from orchid to kitchen is a fascinating one. After pollination, the vanilla orchid produces pods that are hand-picked when they are just ripe. These pods then undergo a curing process, which includes blanching, sweating, drying, and conditioning. This process can take several months, and it's what makes vanilla beans so special and aromatic. Vanilla beans are incredibly versatile in the culinary world. They are primarily used for their seeds, which are scraped out of the pod and added to various dishes. Vanilla beans add a rich, complex flavor to desserts like ice cream, custards, and cakes. They can also be used in savory dishes, adding a subtle sweetness and aroma. There are several types of vanilla beans, each with its own unique profile. The most common are bourbon, Madagascar vanilla, and Tahitian vanilla. Bourbon vanilla is known for its rich and creamy flavor, while Tahitian vanilla is more floral and aromatic. The type of vanilla bean used can significantly impact the flavor of a dish. It's important to distinguish between vanilla beans and vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is made by soaking vanilla beans in alcohol, which pulls out the flavor. While the extract is more convenient, using the actual bean provides a more robust and nuanced flavor. This difference is particularly noticeable in high-end desserts and gourmet dishes. I hope this video has given you a deeper appreciation for the vanilla bean, a small but mighty ingredient that brings so much joy and flavor to our lives. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, understanding and using vanilla beans can elevate your culinary creations. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.